There we go. This is Audrey-Ann in the dark with her glow sticks. La 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 la. That looks really cool. Isn't that nifty looking? Whee! They're glowing.
It's going in like...
They can glow in the dark forever. Happy, happy days. There we go. Good, good, good. Let's get a close up. Oh, here. Let me see one. Here, I got the green one here. Lightsaber duel. You should not have come back, Obi-Wan.
Die!
When I last left you, I was but the learner. Now I am the master.
Die.
Oh! Darth Vader is destroyed. It is the end of the Sith for now. However, someday...
Die! Punch!
However, someday the Sith will rise again.
Die!
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye! Wait, let me end it right
Okay.
there.
Okay, bye everybody.
Bye!